Hello guys and welcome to another video. So in this video we have a package from MI which includes the latest Mi Band 3. So it is the successor to Mi Band 2 and let's check it out if it's worth or not. So opening up the package, we can see that the box in which the Mi Band 3 comes is really good, and it has a transparent top which gives it a really premium feel, and it doesn't look like this is a product from MI. Well, because MI's boxes are not that good, and there is some information on the back that we'll talk about later. So now let's remove the plastic packaging that it comes in, and now you can see how good this box looks in bright sunlight, and I guess the white theme with the black tracker goes really well. Opening up the box is quite simple. There's a small pull tab that you can use, and after opening it, the tracker is on the top. There's a small pull tab towards the bottom to pick it up, and you can see that it comes in a card kind of a thing. So that card is made out of thermocol. Next in the box is a Mi Band strap to which the tracker attaches, and the next thing that you will find is the Mi user guide which tells you about the features about the Mi Band 3, and the next thing is the charging cable. So this does not come with the charging brick, so you will have to arrange for that. So now that the tracker is out of the box, let's take a look at it. So one thing to note is that how good this tracker looks in bright sunlight, and it's not even on yet. So you can see the tracker goes onto the band which is provided in the box, and that is how it is the Mi Band. And the band is really good, it feels premium, and there are a number of attachment holes to fit all wrist sizes, and it is quite light and is made out of a breathable material, which is also a plus, as some Mi Band 2 owners said that this band got them all itchy with the Mi Band 2, so Mi has improved this time. And now we can see that the Mi Band 3 looks really good in bright sunlight, and it really looks good, although the display is a bit of a fingerprint magnet, but that can be cleaned or protected with a screen guard. It also has many features like a 0.7-inch OLED touchscreen display, a 110 mAh battery, floating screen design, better band material, real-time exercise tracking, heart rate sensors, notification support, OTA updates, and whatnot. It even has its very own app, which is the Mi Fit app that you can download from the Google Play Store. So after the raise to fake function, you swipe up to unlock the screen, and the first thing you notice is the pedometer. So the pedometer keeps track of your steps, the distance, and the calories burnt by you. Next, it also has a heart rate monitor, which you can access it from this screen. The next screen tells us the weather in your area for the current day and the next 2 days. The next feature brings out the fitness in this fitness band. It is essentially a tracker for when you are exercising, with your heart rate, calories burned, etc. being calculated in real time. Notifications from your phone can be accessed at this screen. Next, there are features like the stopwatch, the find device feature through which you can find your paired device easily, and it also has 3 watch faces, but the number might increase with future updates. So my final verdict is that I used this device for 2 days, and it was a really helpful device for me, and it encouraged me to reach my goals that I had set for every day. It is light, it is really useful, packed with a lot of features.
2 hours later.
And with that, on to the verdict. So guys, no matter what I say, the final decision is with you, because after all, it's your money. So I have listed the pros and cons that I found with the Mi Band 3, and I would recommend to buy the Mi Band 3 because it is a good device at such a price point, but at the same time there is no such competition, and the only competition is like expensive, so you're left with no other choice in this criteria. Do like the video if it helped you. Subscribe to my channel as a lot of content is heading your way. I'm Techie Rannjodh and I'm signing out. Peace from the Northeast.